Today, I stand here not just as a daughter in law, but as a daughter whose heart is grieving the loss of a man who changed her entire life. Papa welcomed me into this family with open arms and even more open heart. From the very first day, he never made me feel like I had come into a new home. He made me feel that I had always belonged here. He gave me not just a family, but a lifetime of love, acceptance, respect, and unwavering support. He believed in me, encouraged me, celebrated my success as though they were his own, and stood beside me through every phase of life. He was my biggest cheerleader. There was a special smile on his face whenever he saw me happy, and that is the gift I will carry with me forever. Papa was one of the most intelligent, wise, and experienced person I have ever known. But what made him truly remarkable was not just his knowledge, it was his heart. A heart so generous that it had room for everyone. A heart that found joy in giving, in serving, in feeding people until they could not eat more, and then laughing the loudest with them. His home was always open, his table was always full, and his love was always unconditional. He cherished relationships. He nurtured them with sincerity, warmth, and authenticity. His friendships, his family bonds, and the respect he earned from everyone around him are a testament to an extraordinary person he was. He wore his emotions with pride. Every religious gathering, every family celebration, every festival brought gratitude to his eyes because he truly understood the value of togetherness. For him, family was never just a word, it was the very purpose of his life. And what a grandfather he was. The sparkle in his eyes whenever he saw his grandchildren laughing, the pride in which he watched them grow, the joy he found in celebrating every little milestone of all his grandchildren. Those are the memories they will treasure forever. They were his greatest happiness. There is something incredibly poignant about his final day. Let me share this with you all today. It was a day filled with everyone he loved. He went to work as usual, returned home, did his yoga and exercise, shared dinner with all of us, laughed, joked, celebrated his granddaughter's 20th birthday, had a piece of cake, blessed her, and then quietly went to his room to rest. That was his last day and the last moments with us. Without pain, without burden, surrounded by the love he spent a lifetime creating. Perhaps there is no more peaceful way for a beautiful soul like him to leave the world. Papa, your legacy is not measured by the wealth you created or the years you lived. It is measured by the lives you touched, the values you instilled, the family you built, and the love you gave us so selflessly. The void you leave behind can never be filled. There will always be an empty chair at our table, a silence where your laughter once echoed, and a space in our hearts that only belongs to you. Thank you for loving me, Papa, as your daughter. Thank you for believing in me, Papa. Thank you for giving me a home filled with warmth and belonging. You taught us that life is not about how long we live, but about how deeply we love. We will carry your values, your kindness, your generosity, and your beautiful spirit with us every day. I promise you that, Papa. You will continue to live in every story we tell, every tradition we celebrate, every meal we share as a family, and every heart that had the privilege of knowing you. We love you. We respect you. We are endlessly grateful for you. And we will miss you for the rest of our lives. Rest peacefully, Papa, until we meet soon again. Thank you.